Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set double tap to take a screenshot on iPhone. We are going to do all these configurations in the Settings app. Tap on Settings, scroll down until you find Accessibility right here. Tap there, and then inside Accessibility, scroll down until you find Touch, which is right here. Tap on Touch. Inside Touch, scroll down until you find Back Tap right here at the bottom. And you can see it is set to off. Let's tap here. It will bring back tap options, and right here at the top you have double tap, and then below it you have triple tap. In this case we are going to set double tap to take a screenshot, and on the right side you can see that double tap is set to none. So let's tap here. It will bring all the options that we can execute when we double tap. In this case we want to take a screenshot when we double tap. So let's find screenshot here. And right here, we have screenshot. So I'm gonna tap here to select. We'll get this blue tick once the option is selected. Now let's go back by tapping here on this arrow. And you can see now double tap is set to take a screenshot. This way, when you double tap, you can take a screenshot. Let me show you. And double tap it like this. It will take a screenshot. I'll do it again. It will take a screenshot. Well everyone, this is how you set double tap to take a screenshot on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.